Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a row counter bracelet. This is to count stitches when you're knitting or to drink how many gallons of water you drank. You can hang it on your water bottle or use it for your knitting. You can move it like this. So let's get started. First you're going to take your 2 strands of string and make a knot. Now that you've gotten your knot, you can tug on the strings and make it neat. And now just attach it to your clipboard, or if you have a piece of tape, you can just attach it to the tape. Okay. Now, if you have any other beads, you can use it. But I'm just going to be using my perler beads to just like the color of them. So, how about a few white beads? I'm going to start with the few white beads. So first you take your bead, make sure it's wide enough so 2 strings can fit inside it. And just insert it through the other side. Just pull. And that's it. You can cut off these extra strings if they're bothering you. Now get your beads and then just do the same thing over again. Okay, I finished putting all the beads on. Just have one more left. Okay, done. Now what you're going to do is take it off of your clipboard or your piece of tape if you use tape. And if you have a long strand left, you can cut it off or snip it. Now just make a knot. Any knot you want, just put it through. Well guys, I finished my knot and this is how it turned out. You can use this to count how many gallons of water you drink or how many rows or stitches. All you have to do is hold it, then just move your beads like this. You can move your beads back if you want. I used a braiding cord for this, but you can use any other type of yarn or any other type of string. I would not recommend elastic. It does not too well with this. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.